Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.25. Bays are sections. Retail cosmetics merchandising display fixtures such as gondolas and wall case or back wall units are designed to display products in categories. These merchandising display areas are called bays. For example, makeup, fragrance, and skincare can be different bays on one fixture. The bays serve a functional purpose, and frequently they become a production section of a fixture. Bays can contain more than one section, component, or part. In this cost workup process, bays are sections in most situations. This example, 1.1.25, is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.26.